Plant FAQs, Aglaonema Maria. The enduring appeal of Aglaonema Maria, a plant dad's guide. The Aglaonema Maria. This isn't your average houseplant. With its stunning variegated leaves and low maintenance needs, it's become a constant companion in my urban jungle. But fear not, fellow plant enthusiasts. Even if you lack a sprawling backyard, this tropical wonder can thrive indoors, adding a touch of elegance to your space. Over the past year, I've learned a lot about caring for this beauty, from watering schedules to propagation techniques. I'm here to share my experience and transform you into a confident Aglaonema Maria plant parent. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. What is Aglaonema Maria? The Aglaonema Maria, also known as the Chinese evergreen, is a true survivor. Its native habitat, the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia, speaks volumes about its resilience. Lush, green foliage splashed with silvery white markings. That's the hallmark of this evergreen wonder. It grows in a compact form, seldom exceeding 2 feet in height, making it ideal for apartments or smaller living spaces. What truly sets the Aglaonema Maria apart is its air-purifying properties. It acts as a natural filter, removing toxins like benzene and formaldehyde from the surrounding air. So, not only does it beautify your home, but it also contributes to a healthier environment. Aglaonema Maria versus Tigris. I've noticed that Aglaonema Maria's deep green leaves give my living room a cozy vibe, while Aglaonema tigris, with its striking striped pattern, always grabs attention when I have guests over. How to care for Aglaonema Maria. Success with the Aglaonema Maria hinges on mimicking its natural environment. Here's what you need to know. Light. Think dappled sunlight, not scorching midday sun. A bright, indirect location is ideal. Avoid placing it near south-facing windows where harsh rays can scorch the leaves. Watering. Don't drown your plant. The Aglaonema Maria thrives in moist, not soggy, soil. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering is a leading cause of root rot, so err on the side of underwatering. Humidity. Remember, it's a rainforest native. Mimic that humidity by grouping your Aglaonema Maria with other plants or placing it on a pebble tray filled with water. A humidifier is another option, especially in drier climates. Soil. Opt for a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants. A good mix will allow for proper aeration and prevent waterlogging. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a light application of balanced fertilizer once a month will suffice. Hold off on fertilizing during fall and winter when growth slows. Patience is key. How long does it take to reroot Aglaonema Maria? Propagation is a fantastic way to expand your plant collection. The Aglaonema Maria can be propagated through stem cuttings. Here's the process. Choose a healthy stem with at least 2 leaves. Make a clean cut just below a node, the bump where a leaf joins the stem. Plant the cutting in a pot filled with moist potting mix. Cover the pot loosely with a plastic bag to create a mini greenhouse environment. Patience is key. It can take anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks for roots to establish. Maintain consistent moisture and indirect light during this period. While the exact time for rerooting can vary depending on factors like temperature and humidity, with a little patience, you'll soon be rewarded with a thriving new Aglaonema Maria. What to plant with your Aglaonema Maria? The Aglaonema Maria's beauty lies in its simplicity. But don't be afraid to create a stunning indoor jungle by pairing it with other low-light-loving plants. Here are a few suggestions. Snake plant. Sansevieria with its upright architectural form. The snake plant complements the Aglaonema Maria's flowing foliage. ZZ plant. Zamioculca zimifolia, another low-maintenance wonder. The ZZ plant's glossy leaves add a touch of texture to the mix. Philodendron. Various species philodendrons come in a variety of leaf shapes and sizes, offering endless possibilities for a lush indoor display. With a little TLC and the knowledge shared here, you can cultivate a thriving Aglaonema Maria that will grace your home for years to come. Remember, happy plants, happy plant parent.